is my first thing making
your first invention.
And I hope it's gonna be good.
Now what are we making?
A Slippy Doodle.
Slippy Doodle, and what is it? It's a dessert? Well,
Yeah.
what are the ingredients for this invention of yours?
Flour, sugar, extract, eggs, chocolate, butter, marshmallow, and coconut.
Wow. And this is your, what you made up? This is your list? Explain the list again.
Chocolate, egg, sugar, butter, flour, marshmallow, and coconut, but we don't know what this is.
We don't have to be our
And we know what, and we actually need extract. So. We made the Slippy Doodle, and this is what it turned out.
Whoa, that looks so good.
And I ate some of it.
Okay.
And
take a bite and tell me what it tastes like.
I can taste the coconut, the chocolate. It's good.
Yeah? How good? Show me.
Super good. More than eating a donut.
What? Whoa.
Well, that's how much I like it.
All right, very good. I like it too. It's very yummy.